Happy Saturday, guys, and welcome back. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the Casio MDT1079D as in David dash 1A as in Apple 3V. So this one, let's go ahead and get this unboxed, okay? And we could go into the details. So I'm gonna give you a 360 view at the box real quick. So you can see that yellow sticker. That means I got it from Costco. This one is going for $74.99 plus tax. Retail price for this is about $120 if you buy at Kohl's or any other store. So this one caught my eye because this one has a black bezel, black face plate with like a kind of like a couple of light browns finish coating around the bezel where the numbers at. And this one has a mineral glass, spherical glass, and then on the back it is screw lock back. And this one is anti-reverse bezel that you can rotate. Same goes my watch. You can rotate anti-reverse. So within the 5 minutes of it has 10 clicks. Okay, in case you guys want to know that or wondering. And this one has 100 meter water resistance. The case and the bezel materials are stainless steel and the stainless steel band. And this one has a one-touch 3-fold collapse. I like the collapse with this push button to lock it because I have a Movado and then they didn't have this locking system. And sometimes when I bend my wrist, it automatically pop open. So this is pretty good. Just like my tag, Oyer. There's a push button right here. This one has a LED super Illuminator afterglow. See, when I push this out, which is the light button right here. Wow, look at the accents of blue, light blue LED light. So it's pretty cool. I didn't know it came with that blue light, so this is pretty awesome to my collection. And then they have a day and date display and regular timekeeping. Analog has 3 hands, hours, minutes, and seconds. Okay, as you can see. Accuracy is about plus or minus 20 seconds per month. Approximate battery life is about 3 years on SR920SW. 3 hands and 3 dials. And 3 years on, wow, CR1616. So the light 9 seconds per day. The size of the case is 51 millimeter by 46.3 by 13.7 millimeter. The total weight is about 161 grams. And then the LED light is blue color. So let's give you the side view of the watch real quick. It's pretty nice. So they have this guard, so you won't mess up your crown right here in case you bump into something. And even the hours and then the minutes is in copper finish or color coated or whatever. And then The second is in a red color, which is a pretty nice accent to it. As you can see, it is still brand new. Got that plastic protective on there. So this is like a diver series. So unfortunately, this one cannot collapse like mine. Mine is the diver series. I guess this is just a diver look-alike watch. Okay. So in case you wearing like the bodysuit to dive, mine could open on the back right here to pop it open. Right here. So you can make it bigger because you're wearing the bodysuit, okay? But unfortunately, the Casio, it does not do that. But you're comparing to what? $74 watch to a $2,600 watch, okay? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. And then please be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell for notification. And drop any other comments on below, alright? And they come with this instruction booklet. You could also find a PDF instruction online. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out, guys.